In this installment of Lemon to Lambo, we get our WRX ready to be sold. So the WRX is looking great. We've got freshly painted wheels, we've got freshly painted brake calipers, the brand new STI wing on the car makes it look amazing, and we've given the car a clean so it no longer has crushed up lollies in the back seat. So the final thing to do for the car to get it ready to be sold is just a couple of trim pieces, fix an O2 sensor problem that we've had from the beginning, and then the car's done. So sit back and relax while we do all the work. So when we bought our WRX, there was an engine light on, and that was as a result of the O2 sensor before the catalytic converter. So we've gone out and grabbed a new one and removed the old one. So now it's just as simple as putting the new one in. So one of the big things to remember is when you're installing your O2 sensor, make sure you haven't got it clipped in, otherwise you're going to be twisting the wires inside and you could be breaking that connection. But next up, we're going to reinstall the heat shield, and just make sure you get rid of the wasp nests that are in the heat shield, otherwise you're going to have a bit of a smoky surprise when you start the car up.
Watch out, 'cause I know the brakes coming.
So our WRX is finished. We've finished putting it back, all the trim pieces that it was missing. The shift knob really ties the interior together, makes it look a lot nicer rather than the old crusty one. And the O2 sensor has installed and fixed the code of the bad O2 sensor. So the car's ready to be sold. All that's left now to do is to take a few photos, put it up for sale, and then start hunting for our next lemon. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment below and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Lemon to Lambo.